Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Of course, hope you had a great week so far. Excuse me for the light in the background. It's quite annoying, at least for me. Hopefully it isn't too much for you, because we will focus on Solana and not on the light in the background. So that's what we'll do. We'll do a full update. I have some things I want to say about this. I mean, Solana in general, at this moment, it just looks bullish. All right. So if that's what you want to know, then there's that. You can click away the video. But no, all right. We'll obviously talk about it a little bit more. But at this moment, even though yesterday we had a bit of a spike down, even two little spikes down, it did nothing to the funding rates. By the way, all right. So the market right now is still very over leveraged. It did do something to BCH and SEI and Ethereum a little bit, but that's it. Not to Solana. Solana is still very over leveraged. However, we recovered very well from that. We respected the 125 support level, the level we broke above very well. So that's a bullish confirmation. And just the fact that we're at 135, which is our main resistance level. We already talked about that yesterday. That we're at that level and we continuously try to break above that. I would say that's positive as well. All right. So this will be a positive update. Now, before we get into that positive update, I must tell you though that funding rates like these cannot be sustained. So what will happen in the next week probably, and in the next 2 weeks for sure, is we'll have spikes down. All right. Now, sometimes that could be a big spike down to 115. More often, it will probably be a lesser spike down to 125 or 120. But those will happen. But at this moment, the thing is that if you fundamentally talk about Solana, which I like to do in almost every video, I don't know, it just adds a little bit more value. If you fundamentally look at Solana, it's doing great. 2.4 billion in total value locked. I think if you look at DeFi Llama, you'll find out that it even has more. Because they use some different measurements. But yeah, there you can see $7.7 billion. It's a big difference. And then technically, which is I think where most of you people are interested in, purely technically, it looks great as well. All right, you can see right here, the open interest was very bullish yesterday, had a bit of a drop, like I said, together with Bitcoin, but it has recovered very well, and it's right now even higher than where it was. We see a lot of spot buying, which is great as well. So I see absolutely no reason why Solana would not break out here. Now, we also know, for example, that Solana at this moment is also correlated to Bitcoin quite a lot. I think Bitcoin in the short term can provide some bullish momentum as well. And if you think about it that way, even if Bitcoin gets up to 63,500, I think that's enough bullish momentum at these price levels to push Solana above 135. And the moment Solana breaks above 135, I think technically that's strong enough of a breakout to also assume we're going up to 150. So that's what I think is most likely. Now, like I said, we might have some spikes down even today. That's a possibility. But ultimately, as long as this level between like 122 and 125 holds, I think we're fine. All right. So if something big happens, like if Bitcoin gets very bearish, we could break below that. But at this moment, there's really no indication of that. All right. Now, indication could come today, but I'll try to keep you updated on that. I mean, it's not something I expect. I think it's more likely in terms with which is also aligned with the market situation and how bullish Solana fundamentally is. I think it's most likely we'll get up to that magical 150 level. All right. But those are my thoughts. And like I said, I'll keep you updated on that. If anything happens, I'll try to put out some sort of a quick update. But for now, that's all. So thank you for watching. Let me know down in the comments, like I said, if you have any questions, and take care. Bye.